Good Shepherd, the Episcopal campus ministry at Purdue University, continues to offer ritual, community, and free food from its spot at the edge of the Purdue campus. But this year, two of their programs were especially noteworthy. The Purdue Student United Way was founded by an Episcopal student as a way of widening their embrace on the Purdue campus in a way far beyond Good Shepherd's size. For the second year in a row, the PSUW group went to New Orleans as part of an alternative spring break program. They worked with the St. Bernard's Project and AmeriCorps in the lower 9th Ward, continuing an ongoing home reconstruction program there. Working nearly around the clock, they were able to finish the interior of a home while learning more about the larger economic and political issues facing the lower 9th Ward and themselves as a community. They even had time to take a photo that ended up in a national tequila ad. Imagine that. Workship, as in WORKSHIP, was the theme of a Sunday morning visit to the Food Finders Food Bank in Lafayette. The Good Shepherd community began by taking on a variety of projects, from sorting food contributions in the sorting room to breaking down 50-pound bags of beef crumbles into gallon bags. These bags went out with the food bank's mobile pantries that serve 16 counties in mid-north central Indiana. The morning concluded with a celebration of the Holy Eucharist amidst banana boxes on the floor of the food bank warehouse. The sermon was delivered by the food bank's executive director. This year marked the 25th anniversary of the Reverend Peter Bunder's service to Good Shepherd and the Purdue campus. And as Good Shepherd moves forward, wondering what amazing new projects await their exciting ministry, they look forward to Father Bunder's continued leadership.